This is Travis Klineski here as we start things off this morning. We're all well behind a cold front that's off to our east and southeast now. And while the biggest story of the day today is the winds, we are dealing with also some clouds this morning, but we'll see that cloud cover gradually decrease from west to east. And again, the problems today, the biggest problem is the wind out of the north and northwest. I would already this morning in that 15 to 30 plus mile per hour range, and gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour. As of the moment I'm speaking here, just after 7 o'clock in the morning, the wind gust in Broken Bow 49 miles per hour. But the good news is at least we'll get some sunshine later today. Not a big warm up in store for today, unfortunately. It's actually starting off mild, but we're not going to see a big warm up take place. Heading into tonight, clear skies. Winds will gradually lighten up through the night, and if you are a stargazer, we have got a treat for you tonight. It is the peak of the Geminid meteor shower, looking towards the constellation Gemini. One of the best meteor showers of the year, and unfortunately it takes place during one of the coldest times of the year. And it is going to be cold tonight. It's going to be one of the coldest nights we see ahead of us in the weekends. You're going to want to bundle up if you're outside looking at it. But again, I would say anytime tonight, especially towards 2 o'clock in the morning, that's when the Gemini constellation will be directly overhead. You'll want to look up and see those. We have rates of meteors of about 120 per hour, so about 2 per minute on average. That's a pretty good rate of meteors. So looking up with the skies clear, the moon will set right away along with the sun, so you don't have to worry about moonlight. You get away from some of the city lights, and you have got a great view tonight of the Geminid meteor shower. Tomorrow then, lots of sunshine, a light westerly wind, and temperatures start to recover after that cold start. We should see a nicer day than today temperature-wise out there. We're going to keep it going, warm up even more as we head into the upcoming weekend ahead. Let's look at that forecast when it comes to the wind gusts. Future wind gusts of at least 20 to 30 miles per hour. They could actually get a little higher than that from time to time here, and then they'll start to die down through the evening and overnight hours tonight. So much lighter winds then as we head into tomorrow. In fact, some places will be under 5 miles per hour, so not much wind to deal with tomorrow after a very windy day out there today. Well, along with the winds, temperature-wise, not much of a warm-up out there. Mid to upper 30s to near 40 degrees up north. We'll see decreasing clouds from west to east. Early clouds quickly giving way to sunshine out west, upper 30s and lower 40s for highs. And again, those sustained winds, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts could exceed at times 35, maybe as high as 40 miles per hour. We may even see some stronger wind gusts, especially down in our northern Kansas counties. In fact, as you go to the south of us, parts of central southern Kansas, down in Oklahoma, Texas, they have high wind warnings out. That's where the winds are looking even stronger. So we're having a windy day, but we're getting away from the strongest of the winds. They'll be much worse off to our south. Highs in the south, upper 30s and lower 40s, and in the east, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 30s and lower 40s. You'll have to deal with clouds maybe a little longer out east, morning clouds, and then some afternoon clearing. So you won't get as much sunshine out east as we will farther to the west. After today, it's smooth sailing. Again, a cold night ahead of us tonight, but perfect viewing conditions for the Geminid meteor shower. All kinds of sunshine tomorrow, the high of 45. Still fairly chilly Friday night, just a few degrees warmer in the lower 20s, and then upper 40s on Saturday. We'll gradually see an increase in some higher level clouds Saturday, so mainly sunny in the morning, becoming partly cloudy, I think, late in the day. As we head through the rest of the weekend, still upper 40s on Sunday, how about 50 on Monday with lots of sunshine. Tuesday, maybe a couple of degrees cooler. Could see some extra clouds around, partly cloudy skies and perhaps even mostly cloudy, which may hold our temperatures back just a little bit. A little more sunshine on Wednesday with highs in the lower 50s, and certainly, especially after the way yesterday played out, and as snowpack becomes less of an issue as more snow melts over the next several days, I think we could actually see temperatures exceed what I have forecasted here. We could maybe see some places get into the mid 50s out there on some of those days. So a good looking forecast ahead. There's just not much to complain about looking towards the end of next week. Signs are that we'll still keep it fairly mild and quiet probably through Thursday and Friday. We may see a cool down, some cooler weather to come towards that following weekend, the 22nd and the 23rd. Long-range forecast models are iffy on if we'll see a warm-up or not for Christmas Day. Some forecast models are going near 60 degrees. Others are keeping us in the 40s. Either way, still decent for Christmas standards, but likely not much snow in the forecast. We might get hit with a couple of quick clipper systems beyond our 7-day forecast, but no major storm systems on the way between now and Christmas Day. So more than likely, we're not going to see a white Christmas outside of what's left on the ground with what doesn't melt over the next week and a half or so. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. It will be Friday next time. Until then, though, have a wonderful Thursday. Take care. God bless. Bye.